Water damage restoration and repair, Carrollton, Texas. Water damage can turn your sanctuary into a nightmare. Whether it's from a burst pipe, a flooded basement, or any other cause, the effects can be devastating. Structural damage, mold growth, electrical hazards, and health risks are just some of the issues associated with water damage. That's why it's crucial to call in highly trained and experienced professionals like us. With years of expertise on jobs of all sizes, no job is too big or too small. Our highly skilled technicians have the knowledge and tools to handle water damage restoration and repair effectively and efficiently. From expert assessment to thorough drying and mold remediation, we ensure your property is restored to its pre-damage condition. Don't let water damage control your life. Call us now for a fast, free consultation and estimate. We're here to help 24/7. We are the professional water damage repair experts, your trusted restoration specialists. Call now for a free consultation and estimate.